The Kimair KHOW oil-free 40 bars air compressor stands out as a leading solution in PET bottle blowing industry. High efficiency boosts productivity, reduces operational costs, and creates greater profit potential for businesses. The cooling system and filtration unit further reduce energy consumption and emissions, driving green production. Kimair provides comprehensive professional services, from pre-sales consultation and solution design to installation, operation training, and ongoing maintenance. Kimair strives to excellence at every stage.